Hey everyone, welcome to the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to recover a hacked Epic Games account. To do this, open any browser and go to the Epic Games website. Go to Epic Games Support or simply to Epic Games. Here you'll need to either create an account or sign in from another account, then type "I want to recover my hacked account." Type it in. There it is. Click Yes, click No, and then click Yes. There's a link here, open it, and then click on Lost access to my email address. Click Continue, and then click Start Recovery. And off we go. You'll recover the account step by step, filling in all these fields. I won't fill them in since it would take too long, but it's all pretty straightforward. Enter your new email address, select the account from the list, choose the old one, enter the old email addresses associated with the account, any usernames that you remember, where you played from, your phone number, any linked accounts, and possibly payments, receipts, and then submit the request. That's all there is to it. That was Valor. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, follow on Twitter, and hit that 1x. Link in the channel description. See you later.